Hello, I am Dr. Muhammad Asif. I welcome you to my channel. I will discuss Pressy writing in this video. And the contents of today's lecture are FPSC syllabus guidelines for Pressy, FPSC Examiners Report 2016, FPSC Examiners Report 2017, analysis of these reports, rules of Pressy writing, characteristics of a good Pressy, and in the end, I will suggest some readings for a good Pressy. CSS syllabus for Pressy writing. This is FPSC's recommended syllabus. Pressy writing carries 20 marks. This is how the guidelines for Pressy writing go. A carefully selected passage with an orientation of generic understanding and enough flexibility for compression shall be given for pressying and suggesting an appropriate title. So if we look at this description, we find two or three very important terms. First is generic understanding. Generic understanding means that these paragraphs will not be very specific or very technical or very specific to any discipline. They will be of general interest. Second thing is that these paragraphs will be flexible, that there will be room in these paragraphs for compression. And of course, then very important aspect of Pressy writing is title. Out of the total 20 marks allocated to this question, 15 shall go to pressying the text and 5 to suggesting the title. Pressy 2016 Examiners Report. The Pressy writing ability of the candidates was poor. Some basic mistakes related to not writing in third person or past tense, capitalization, punctuations, and spellings. So these are a whole lot of mistakes that students committed in the paper, and these are the mistakes that students generally commit while writing Pressy. But the overall impression of the examiner was not good, and he considered the overall skill of Pressy writing poor. And the focus is on basic mistakes and then some certain rules like not writing in third person or past tense, then capitalization, punctuation, and spellings. So if a student makes these mistakes in the exam, he or she does not deserve to clear it. A significant majority did not have the command over syntax, phraseology, or etymology of words. So vocabulary is also very important. When you prepare for CSS, you must focus on improving your vocabulary. There were also issues of first language interference. First language interference implies that students, they think in one language and write in another language, or in other words, they think in their mother tongue or some other tongue and they write in English language, and when they write in English they try to follow the sentence structure of the mother tongue or any other language in which the students think. So this is not the right approach. If you want to clear CSS, you must think in English as well. About 8,894, that is 92% candidates could not pass the said paper. The examiner underlined that it was imperative to communicate to the institutions of higher education to take appropriate measures to enhance English language proficiency at the graduate level. So this is a very damning report on our education. And this is the reason why students, after completing their education, professional education, they go for teachers for learning some basic skills like grammar, Pressy writing, essay writing. Academic writing is ignored in our education system, and this is one of the weaknesses of our students. So, as long as our education system continues to ignore writing skill, our students will continue to face problems in writing correct English or writing good paragraphs. The general performance of candidates was substandard, lacking originality, relevance, presence of mind, knowledge of facts, and even the basics of the question. I think the most important thing in this comment or point is the basics of the question. Pressy is actually about understanding the paragraph, the central idea of the paragraph, the theme of the paragraph. And if a student fails to understand the basic question or the main argument in the paragraph, then the student does not deserve to clear the exam even. It seems that they were ignorant about basic rules of English grammar, sentence structure, usage of verbs, nouns, adjectives. So English grammar is a major problem that the students face while preparing and appearing in CSS examination. Students must focus on it. They should be able to write simple, correct English at least. The pressy of the given text that was in 440 words was expected in 140 to 150 words, but many of them made pressy either even in more than 600 words or fewer than 50 words. And this is actually quite unbelievable. It just shows that our students, they are sometimes even ignorant of very basics, I would say, even the rudiments of the discipline or the things that they do. So in order to uh, clear CSS or prepare for it, students must go for the basics. Now I gave you the analysis of these reports. The Pressy writing ability of the candidates was poor. And one of the reasons of this poor Pressy writing ability is poor reading actually. Because if your reading is poor, you will not be able to understand the paragraph. And when you fail to understand the paragraph, then you cannot write correct Pressy. So writing actually depends on reading as well, along with good English. Candidates did not write in third person. So this is a major mistake that should never be committed. Pressy was not in past tense. So this is bit questionable in the sense that Pressy can also be in the present tense. It depends on the paragraph that is set in the paper. If the paragraph is in present tense or deals with present, the Pressy can be in present tense. So the tense that is used in Pressy, that should be appropriate. There were mistakes in the use of punctuation. So good use of punctuation is very important. There were mistakes in the use of punctuation, spelling mistakes. A significant majority did not have the command over syntax, phraseology, or etymology of words. Spelling mistakes, syntax, phraseology, etymology, same things being repeated. And then there were also issues of first language interference. The Pressy that was supposed to be in 140 to 150 words, and it was written either in 600 or 50 words. Thank you very much. Good luck.